Okay. Bella, you're the host. Represent yourself. It is 10:01. Let me see. What's the best thing? Jerk. I want to see jerk. You a jerk. I know. You a jerk. You a jerk. So tell me, who's this video for? Who's it for? You actually put this video. Can you like send this video to represent? You're a jerk. You're a jerk. I know, you're a jerk. I know. You're a jerk. Jerky. Jerky. You dip it like I did. Like I did. Dip it down. Get down. Dip it. No. You have to dip it. You have to dip it and come back up. You know that? No, dip it and come back up. Do it. Look at it. Then come down. She's a freak as you can already tell. Okay. Look. You're gonna get us in trouble. Tell her about Miss Lisa. She's mean. Don't mess up with her. She follows us everywhere too. Is she pretty? Oh my. Is she pretty? Does she have a man? Do something for Miss Lisa. Do something for Miss Lisa. You a jerk. You a jerk. You a jerk. What is our crew called?